all. Today we shall deal with Kaya Chikitsa paper 3 and the first point is Pranavaha Sroto Dushti, and today I will be dealing Shwasa Nidana Panchaka and that's Chikitsa. To the introduction, Shwasa and Hika are Pranavaha Sroto Dushti Vikaras. So the reference of Shwasa we get in Bruhatrayas, in almost all the Bruhatrayas, and in Laghutrayas we get Shwasa reference. In Charaka Chikitsasthana, 17th chapter, Shwasa and Hika has been explained. 17th chapter is the chapter just after Panduroga Chikitsa. Why he has explained Shwasa after Panduroga? Because the Charaka has told that Shwasa is considered, or it has a manifest, or it is a symptom which comes as a Upadrava for Pandu. That is why after Pandu, I am explaining Shwasa. And there Charaka has told Shwasa Roga is manifested because of Kapha and Vata. And they originate from the Pittasthana. Kapha Vatatmaka Vetau Pittasthana Samudbhava Hridayasya Rasadhinam Dhatunam Chopa Shoshanehi. So he tells Shwasa is caused due to the involvement of dosha, that is Vata and Kapha, and it is Pittasthana Samudbhava. So coming to the reference of Shwasa in Sushrita Samhita, we get in Uttara Tantra. The chapter is Shwasa Pratishedani Adhyaya, that is 51st chapter. Then in Ashtanga Hridaya and Sangra also we do get Shwasa, Nidana as well as Chikitsa. It is in the 4th chapter of Nidanasthana and 4th chapter of Chikitsasthana. Here Acharya Bhagavata has told Amashaya as the seat of origin. He has told Urahastaha Kurutehe Shwasam Amashaya Samudbhavaha. So here he has told Amashaya as a Samudbhavasthana for Shwasa Roga. The important sources involved in the manifestation of Shwasa Roga are Prana, Udhaka and Annava. So prana we can understand, respiratory system, airway, wind, pipe, trachea we can understand. How can we understand Udakaha Srota's involvement in Shwasa and respiratory disorder? So let's understand like this. There are two ways of water loss in the body. One is measurable, another one is not measurable. It cannot be measured. For example, measurable water loss is by urine, by defecation. So we all know in the hospital, they put urine bag which has got a gradation where we can measure how much urine output was there. So that is a measurable water loss. There is another way of non-measurable water loss is through perspiration, and the another one most is while breathing. Okay, while breathing also there is a water loss. So this is how you can understand Udakavaha Srotas. And also in the hospital when they give oxygen, no, it is not just oxygen. You can see a small tank of water. That is, it is a humidified oxygen. So water or Udakavaha Srotas is very important in the Shwasa. And Annava Srotas. Annava Srotas, why he has told us, when we are talking about Hikka, for the manifestation of Hikka, we need Pranavaha, Udakavaha and Annavaha. For the manifestation of Shwasa, we need Pranavaha and Udakavaha. So in Madhava Nidhana, they have told in the 12th chapter along with Hikka Roga. So coming to the Shwasa Yutpati, the derivation of the word Shwasa, it has been told by Vachaspati. Shwasa is derived from two words, Shwas Dhatu and Ganj Pratyaya. So Shwasa is derived from two words, that is Shwas Dhatu and Ganj Pratyaya, which means Shwasatim Vayu iti Shwasaha. That is inhalation and exhalation of Vayu or air is called as Shwasa. That is the process of breathing. Shvasati anena iti Shwasaha, the process of exchange of gas or air, that is called as Shwasa, Shwasa Kriya. Shvasati iti Shwasaha, inhalation and exhalation of air is a Shwasa, and also this Shwasa is used synonymous to the word prana. With the Nirukti or Paribhasha, that's the definition of word Swasha. Vihaya Prakritim Vayu Prano Atakapa Samyutaha Shwasatya Urdvago Bhutvaha Tam Shwasam Prachakshate. So he tells Vihata Prakritim Vayu Prano. When this Prakrita Vayu, he has especially told Prana Vayu, this Prakrita Prana Vayu, when it gets abstracted by Kapha, it attains the Viguna or Vihata or Vimarka. Because of this, there will be manifestation of the disease Shwasa. Okay, it is Vihaya Prakritim Vayu Prano Ata Kapha Samyutaha Shwasatya Urdvago Bhutvaha Tam Shwasam Parichakshate. So he tells that derangement of physiological function of prana vayu, which becomes viguna due to the obstruction of kapha, it starts to move upwards and there is a loss of natural function of Shwasa Kriya. This is called as Shwasa. So coming to the Nidana. Nidana has been explained by Charaka Chikitsa, 17th chapter. Here, Charaka has told Nidana for both Shwasa as well as Hika. Okay, this is Samanya Nidana for both Shwasa and Hika. So this is how the shloka goes. Rajasa Dhuma Vatabhyam Sheetasthana Ambu Sevanat Vyayamat Gramya Dharma Adva Ruksha Anna Vishamashanat Ama Pradoshat Anahat Raukshat Atyapatarpanat Daurbalyan Marmano Ghatat Dvandvat Shuddhyat Yogatah Atisara Jwara Chardit Pratishraya Yaksha Takshyat Raktapittat Udavartat Visuchya Alasakadapi Pandurogat Vishashchaiva Pravartate Gada Bimau Nishpava Masha Pinyaka Tilataila Vishevanat Pishta Shaluka Vishtambi Vidahi Guru Bhojanat Jalaja Anupa Pishita Adyam Ama Kshira Sevanat Abhishyandyan Upacharacha Shleshmalanamcha Sevanat Kanto Uraha Pratighatat Vibandhaischa Pritagvidaihi. So here Charaka has told the Nidanas. For better understanding, we can classify the Nidanas like this. See, we can classify Nidanas like extrinsic factor and intrinsic factor. Means Bahya Nidanas and Abhyantara Nidanas. Bahya Nidanas, for example, Duma, Rajo, Pagatas.